So would any of these technologies or the infrastructure that's going to be put into place or already in place is using any form of oil and gas? Because there's going to be some consumption as well, right? Or no?
As far as any direct infrastructure right now, I know that a lot of the infrastructure that we are building has to do a lot with natural gas.
Mm-hmm.
And also they are working on ways to get to store the energy from solar and wind. And that's a real big, that's a trillion with a T dollar question on how are we going to store this energy from wind and solar so that it is able to use it during a backup time. For an example, as the day we record here in North Texas, we had some horrific storms. So that means wind and solar were probably not our primary source of energy, and it was probably more likely nuclear and natural gas.